Everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul Nguma, founder of PATTERNOLOGY LAB. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the top 2 stocks that you should be keeping in your watch list for today. And I'm also going to be answering some of you guys' questions for this video who dropped your stocks of interest in the comment section of last night's video. So without further ado, let's get started. Let me change the scene really quickly. Okay, so right off the bat, the SPY is doing that choppy stuff again. All right, we're still in this box. We're not going anywhere. It's very annoying and it's very, very, very frustrating. All right, so you may have to proceed with some caution for today. We may make some zigzags again, back and forth. It's probably gonna be annoying, just like it's been throughout the past few days. All right, but overall, the long-term perspective is still bullish on this one. Okay, maybe tomorrow might get better, but today I don't have too many high expectations regarding the overall market. All right, but the top 2 stocks that you should be keeping in your watch list for today. The first one is CRM. All right. And the reason why I want to mention CRM is because it's constantly just staying at this level right here. And if we check this out on the 5-minute charts, it's actually slightly higher pre-market. Okay. So watch this one for, there is a lot of upside, by the way, on this stock. It's a growth stock. Watch this one for a potential move above 217 and definitely to 219. All right. I think it can get there looking at the way the stock is moving right now. The weekly chart, not the best chart at all. Okay. But let's see the monthly. Also, not the best chart at all. So definitely proceed with caution on this one. Honestly, now that I look at everything else, just proceed with caution. All right, it may squeeze some shorts. It may trap all of these short sellers who are over here. I like it because it is on a dip and it is a growth stock. And yeah, short sellers just might be trapped on that one again. Now the next one that I'm going to be talking about for y'all in this video, that one is BABA. Now BABA looks a lot better, all right, a lot better than that previous one, even in all-time frames. This one is trapping short sellers right now. I like how it is. I like how it's opening up right now. It's looking pretty good. All right, short sellers who got in here. I'm not very happy to see the stock this high this morning. It's been on the dip for a while now. It's been crushed for a very long time. And if you look at it on the daily, it's been down by what? I think this is negative 33, negative 30%. All right. So watch this one for a recovery. Okay, we made some money here, right? And then I told you that I got out because I wanted to see it drop to $25 in the previous videos for all of you who have been following. We got to that level, we spiked again, and we've been consolidating ever since. And today might be the day that the stock actually makes a move to the upside. So definitely keep your eyes on this one as well for a move up to 233 or 234 dollars. All right, so definitely put your eyes on this one. Now let's talk about you guys' stocks of interest. Let's follow up on Tesla. Let's see how Tesla is doing. All right, there you go. Okay, so Tesla, again, we made a lot of money on Tesla. It was great, great run, and then it tried to this is really mean right there. All right, it gave some short sellers some hope that, hey, it's time to short, and then it immediately turns around and goes the other way. But as it's looking right now, I'm not bearish on it yet. I would be bearish if it like goes a lot higher, like above 950 will be. Then I will start be really bearish. That's when I'll start feeling very bearish on the stock. But as of right now, like not too concerned. I think it may go even higher. I think it could. There may be something interesting happening today. So watch this one for a potential move to like 854 and then hopefully 870. All right, it's looking kind of nice right now. There is a reverse head and shoulders on here and it's retesting the neckline right here. All right, that neckline, let me judge that just a little bit bigger. Yeah, it's retesting that neckline right now. So watch this thing for a recovery to the upside. because of this little thing right over here. Okay, so watch this one. I should replace this one with CRM. Yeah, watch Tesla instead of CRM. CRM is a bit weird. Watch them both. Watch them both. Today is just it's a choppy day today, and nothing is too clear. But let's talk about another stock. Somebody asked me to do a follow up on XPEV, and XPEV did great. I told y'all that I wanted to see the stock at exactly $50. It exceeded my expectations and went all the way up to $54. Right now, it is on a pullback. I don't have high hopes for this one. I think it's gonna go down here to like $52 and then go sideways some more before trying to reach the highs of like 57 or maybe $58. All right. So as of right now, I think the pullback may stand and it might just go just a little bit lower. All right. Because everybody who made money yesterday, they're all going to take their money off the table. Those contracts went up by like, I think 300%, maybe 400%. So they're all going to take their money off the table or should be taking their money off the table. All right. So be very careful with this one and don't get too greedy if you bought calls on this yesterday. That's my very honest opinion for that one. The next stock that we'll be talking about, that one is JMIA. And JMIA is showing a falling wedge on the chart. All right. Falling wedge on the chart, that one looks great. It did excellent yesterday after I featured it in the pre-market analysis video. All right. And so far, it's opening up at 40.50. Yeah, $40.50. So watch this one for a move up to $44. If not today, then probably by tomorrow. All right. The fallen wedge was clean and it did spike on that day, which was great. It went up by 10%, I believe. I think this is a 10% move. Yeah, 12% even. Yeah, so it did great. Definitely watch this one for a continuation to the upside. I'm not bearish on this yet. Worst case scenario, it does some consolidation here before moving up to $44 later this week or maybe even on Monday. But as of right now, it's still looking clean in my eyes, and I have no concerns about that one either. The next one that we'll be talking about today, that one is eBay. All right, and for those of y'all who have been subscribing to the channel, I made a special video about eBay itself. My drawings are still on the chart and I am still holding long, all right? I made a video about eBay when we were right at $54. And the next day, it dipped a little bit and then there was a lot of panic in the comment section, all right? But look, if you're looking at it now, like it's doing exactly what I drew out, like what I drew right here, all right? The next day after that, it squeezed. They went all the way up to $56. And right now, pre-market is opening up at 56.30. And I don't think this is done yet. I did give it a price target of $62 over here. Maybe between $60 and $62. And I think it's going to get there. I'm not bearish on eBay at all. It's breaking that multi-week high right now. It's breaking out. So watch this one for a potential long today. I still like it. I'm still holding it. And I wanted to get up in here in this little circle before I start selling. Okay. That is my very honest opinion of that one. Alright, y'all, if you got value from the video, definitely destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm. As always, if you are new to the channel, definitely click on subscribe and click on the notification bell along with all notifications. That way you don't miss out on these pre-market analysis videos, which are released from Monday to Friday at exactly 8:15 a.m. Central Time, 15 minutes before the market opens, along with the post-market analysis video, which are released every single day in the afternoon. If you're not following us on social media, you can find me at Paul and Guma and at PATTERNOLOGY LAB on Instagram and on Twitter. Also, if you are new to the investing world, you're looking to make money trading, I left some step-by-step directions in the description of the video below. Step 1 through step 4. It only takes about 15 minutes or less to get signed up with everything you need to get started trading today. You can also get 3 free stocks after signing up with Webull. Use my very first link in the description below. And 1 free stock after signing up with Robinhood using my second link in the description below as well. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Paul Nguma with PATTERNOLOGY LAB, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I will see all of you in this afternoon's video. Be very careful out there. All right, the market is just very uncertain right now, and if the SPY pulls back, everything might fall with it. Be very, very careful out there. Today may not be such a good day. I just have that feeling that it's just gonna be choppy again. It's gonna be very irritating for both sides. Okay, so again, that's my very honest opinion on that one. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video.